Hello everyone, let's learn some colors and shapes like pink color, red color, orange color, blue color, maroon color, dark pink color, yellow color, black color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, light orange color, purple color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Square. Curvilinear triangle. Sun. Sun. Vertical rectangle. Heart. Blue color. Triangle. Triangle. Orange color. Square. Square. Red color. Curvilinear triangle. Yellow color. Sun. Sun. Dark green color. Vertical rectangle. Dark green color. Maroon color. Heart. Dark blue color, orange color, red color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, maroon color. Triangle, square, curvilinear triangle, sun, vertical rectangle, heart. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.